The searches at Chiwenga's wife's residence at Mpovusi farm, fishing for evidence. The framing operations failed to maneuver. The VP's life is in immediate danger. Nzalabina mashukotogwa panapa na tiyadi general soke mapranga no subscribe or like on the bell icon. I do not use those words lightly. I've never used them lightly. I use them today because they are the accurate description of the situation. As President Constantino Chiwenga's life is in immediate and escalating danger, the man arrested on suspicion of planning his assassination has been released by presidential order. His weapon has been returned. His funding has been returned. The 11 charges against him create a level of pressure that makes completing his mission more urgent rather than less. The institutional shoot that briefly protected Chiwenga, the ZRP officers who held firm, who charged the TSHABANGU despite the pressure, who demonstrated that some part of Zimbabwe's constitutional order still function, has been overruled from the highest office in the land. I call on every person, every institution, every regional body, every international partner that is any influence over the safety of Zimbabwe's constitutional office holders to treat this is the emergency it is. SADC must act. The African Union must act. The Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission restored the quorum by the same president who just released an alleged assassin must act. The Zimbabwe Defense Forces, whose former commander is the target of this program, must act. And I call on every Zimbabwean who understand what is at stake to pray genuinely, urgently, because the man who came back from China in a suit when his enemies had ordered a coffin is facing the most dangerous moment of his survival yet. I ate it today, not with a military assessment, but with a prayer. For Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, may the God who kept him through 2019, who brought him back at the midnight on a Chinese plane, when his enemies had given up on finding him alive, who had protected him through every operation that had been launched against him, continue to be his shield. For General Sanyatwe, whose name appears alongside General Chiwenga as a target of this program, may the same protection extend over him. For the Zimbabwe Republic police officers who charged the TSHABANGU despite knowing the pressure that would come, may their courage be remembered and their safety be protected. Tomasho ndoko panapana wisdom okima pranga pena kuma section medu za fungu enyu kuti dipa mswepe these developments. So subscribe or like, check out the bell icon.